Feel uninvited.
In a world of challenges and friction, BAB empowers people to achieve their ambitions, dreams, and desires. BACS token are the blood in the BAB platform veins. There are multiple key features of the BAB platform. Financial services for the microeconomy, reduced barriers for fundraising, secure platform. Right now, this token is available on the CMC with the name BAX. The token name is BAX, which we are going to discuss, and we are going to share such a great feature of this token. At this time, this token is available on multiple exchanges. I will tell you each and everything in this video. So you must have to stay tuned with us during this video. And before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Now, first of all, what is BACS all about? Basically, in short, BAB is a project with banking capabilities for underbank.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
As I told you that right now this token is available on the CoinMarketCap, and you'll be able to buy this token directly from the KuCoin exchange in basically BTC, and second pair is in Ethereum. And also you'll be able to buy this token directly from the Bilex exchange, and also it is available on the CoinTiger, ChainX, and on IDEX exchange. Now, the best thing about the BACS platform, that right now basically mobile app is live on Apple Store and Google Play, so you can easily store your BACS token and even other cryptocurrencies in their personal wallet. And it is very easy to download this wallet, and I will share the link in the description so you can easily download this token. Big news about BACS token, that very soon BACS will be listed on top 10 next exchanges, and definitely the price will increase. At right now the price is only and only $0.000086. So definitely when they will be listed on more about 8 to 10 exchanges, then definitely the price will increase up to 0.01 or 0.02. Now I will tell you that how you can set up your BAB account. It is very easy for you, and you can easily set up your account and you can start work on the main platform of BAB. Basically, as I told you, financial services for the microeconomy. Here you can see, first of all, create an account in seconds, banking services for the un and underbanked. Manage all of your assets in one place. Reduced barrier for the fundraising, borderless transactions, eliminate third-party fees, less FX exposure. Now the third and the most important thing in the crypto industry is basically security. So basically BAB is entirely focusing on the security, and here you can see the secure platform, storage, conversion, and management of assets. Now the best thing about this token, that right now you'll be able to buy this token, and the entire supply is 50 billion BACS, and right now the circulating supply of the BACS token is 33 billion at this time. Now the best thing which I am going to tell you, that how you can set up your own BAB account. Simply download the BAB, create an account, verify your ID, and you will be able to use all the features of the BAB platform. Anyone with a smartphone use the BAB platform services, and easily you can pass the KYC and you will be eligible to use all the major services which are available on the BAB platform. Now, the BAB platform empowers the users to do everything from storing and managing their assets to fundraising and donating to causes all over the world. Whether you are sending money home or friends, with BAB, more money to where it's needed most. So it is very easy, and here you can also see the link. If you are using the Apple the cell phone, then you can easily download it from the Apple Store, and if you are using the Android cell phone, then you can download it from the Google Play. And as I am telling you again and again, that right now it's your chance to grab this token at very low price, because whenever it will hit on more exchanges, about 8 to 10 exchanges, as they are as the team is planning at this time for about listment on about 8 to 10 exchanges, then definitely the price will increase. Here comes the entire contract address of the BEX token, and you can see 14,106 addresses already got this token. So it is your time to buy this token at very low price. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.